everyone. So if I find a super cool app, I really try to super quickly share it with you. So today it is Fontise app, free app where you can create your own font and then you can use it on iMessage, messengers, everywhere you want, and just chat with your friends, but using your own font. So how cool is that? Yeah, it takes some time because you need to basically draw all the letters just on your phone. You're just like drawing letter by letter, number by number. It's like 97 characters and all of the numbers and characters and letters. After you are done, it just creates a font and then you can just use it all over the apps. And then you can stand out in your texting and messaging. So just checked, it's not possible to use it on Tinder, but on majority of all other like texting and messaging apps, it can be used and super cool. So I just doing a quick like deep dive of this app, how to set it up, how to use it, how to use a free version, and what you can get with a paid version, which is like $199. And then you can just basically download your font to your iOS device. So here is the Fontise app. You can get it for free. It's going viral right now. Yep. So just here is just get it in the App Store. It's only 22 megabytes. Yep. So let's just try to explore it. So yeah, you just like drawing the letters, and then you will be having your own font. So there you have it. This is the process. Just draw letter by letter, and then you need to draw like 97 symbols. There is no way to skip it, and yeah, if you tap finish in top right, you will need to finish all the symbols. So here it is, I almost finished, and then just tap finish in the top right, and then the app starts to generate your font, and it's just processing all the letters. So yep, you can just tap to generate. It just takes some time. Yeah, so far it's everything I'm doing is for free, so no need to create an account, no need to subscribe. So it's just like pretty cool. But then on the next screen you will see that you will need to probably pay to get the font now for like $199, or install on this device or install on other iOS devices, or you can get like a package for lower price. But you can use it on iMessage or as your keyboard for free. So here's, for example, how to install the keyboard. Just add a new keyboard. Yeah, just follow the instructions here, and you should be good to go. I will just show it how to do it and try to do it with you to show in quick tutorial how it can be used. So now here it is, like here's how you add a new keyboard, keyboard settings, keyboard, add new keyboard, Fontise, and then you need to allow full access. Then it should work. So let's try to type something when I select font size. And there you have it. So pretty cool. And that's kind of my own font. And yeah, I can try to use it, for example, okay, so it won't work in a search, but if I go to like Messenger and try to use Fontise, here this is how it will look like. So it will just pass as an image, and yeah, so something like that. And you can use this feature for free. It's yeah, you don't need to pay for that. But if you want to download your font, then you will need to pay. So that's how you add, and then you can add many fonts. Then you have like your font again in your font manager, and there is also Imessage integration. So go to Imessage, choose Fontise, and then here is Fontise, and then you can just tap new message, and then you can just head there, and then you can just tap send, and then of course like you can just send it like that. So yeah, something like this. Looks pretty cool actually. I don't know if it's the end design or yeah, how it's supposed to look, but that is the app. If you want to get the font again, it's like $1.99. If you want to install on device, $1.99. Install other devices, $1.99, and log all for $4.99. It's like texting. Here is another feature. Choose your own font family here. Change font size. And then here's your own font. You can use this font throughout the system in other apps like iMessage, Pages, Keynote, Numbers. So you can just and then you can just tap like this, and then this is the message preview, and then you can just share this message everywhere. So then you can just change the background, I guess, the font color, the background, choose some background photo, choose the font size, choose the font family, which is like pretty cool. So that's kind of amazing. Yeah, I think it's pretty fun app actually. So try it out. Yeah, and for this functionality is free. I actually don't know like how it would be different when you just get your font for like $2. How the functionality would be different. If you already bought that and used that, just leave it in the comments below. Just super interesting to see how that would be different. Other than that, seems like a cool app. If you like texting, definitely try it out. So create your own font, integrated keyboard. So we already did that. Anyways, and of course you can contact their support. So you can chat with your handwriting here. You can reach them out on Facebook. So anyways, hope it was helpful. Like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io on the website. You can become a member and get like unique newsletter with all cool apps and become better at everyday apps and software. Yeah, just smash that like button. Super easy for you. I just want for more people to see this cool app and try it out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.